I'm a sound hoarder. I do sound design, but I mostly just like to use the sounds in the music that I make. I think the process of recording the sounds myself makes the sounds more tangible. It makes everything more real to me. I wanted this tape machine to feel like it was useful again. Look back on its life and think, I accomplished something. I ordered some tape off of eBay. Came from Florida. It's from the 60s maybe.
And the third preacher said that he had the bad habit of wanting to take a nip every now and then. Not to get drunk, but just to take a nip.
I don't know that I'll ever revisit any of these sounds, but they are there in case I need them.